So our study for SITC 2020 was immunotherapy trials that lack a biomarker for inclusion, and how does that inform drug development in the future? What we did was we looked at trials that were enrolling patients with the key terms of nivolumab and pembrolizumab through the year of 2019, and we looked at of those trials how many required a biomarker for entry. In that, we found 413 trials met our criteria to be included in our study, which planned to enroll over 57,000 patients. Of that, only 37 trials required a biomarker, which is about 9% of them, which is only 5,600 patients out of the 57,000, which is about 9%. I think one of the questions that comes up with the study is what's the relevance of biomarkers with immunotherapy? Right now, a lot of different cancer types use immunotherapy in an agnostic fashion as they don't test for biomarkers for inclusion. We know that certain gene mutations have more resistance, certain gene mutations may have better responses, but no trials that I'm aware of specifically include patients with specific biomarkers to be enrolled on the trial. The data should get clinicians to start asking questions as to why certain patients don't respond to immunotherapies. And maybe the part of the answer is that we don't use biomarkers for inclusion in these trials. We do a lot of subgroup analyses after trials are run, but we don't start trials from the beginning with biomarkers to select patients.